Yo, we knew it was gonna come to a point where we see something in terms of a restock or something, you know what I'm saying? And it happened to be from Footlocker. We about to be getting some crazy heat coming back out in the form of restock on Footlocker, and it's all happening tomorrow. So I gotta put you guys on, let you guys know all the details. But just looking at a couple of shoes we have here, bro. This is not even half of it, bro. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. We are back, man, fliving in the flesh, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna we keep getting updates and all types of stuff, which is good. We keep interacting with each other, we keep chopping up in the comment section, and just know it is greatly appreciated for everybody to come pull up and see what your boy Adventure is talking about. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you run them likes up, man. Every single like counts, man. So if you don't do nothing else in today's video, if you don't comment, if you don't subscribe, hey, man, leave your boy a like on today's video. All right, guys, so like I said, tomorrow on Footlocker, there will be a crazy restock. And I only say that because it's like 6 sneakers on this list that's restocking tomorrow that were high priorities for people coming into 2025. And there's still some highly anticipated sneakers for some people that might have taken an L, or people that still kind of on that, you know, damn, should I get them, should I not get them? And it's going to kind of give you a second chance at getting these sneakers restocking on Footlocker tomorrow, man. So for the first shoe that you guys have all probably heard about, the sneaker that everybody wants. All right, man, and here we have them right here, and it's no other than the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic, guys. Now, this one right here was just, you know, causing all types of problems come the release date. People said it was going to sit like they did in 2016. People didn't know how much energy and effort was going to be put towards these Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. It turned out that people loved this rendition, this reimagined Black Metallic Air Jordan 5. So this is like the high priority for everybody tomorrow on Footlocker. So make sure you guys are fully prepared for the drop when it does come out, man. But the white piping, icy blue bottoms, the white laces, bro. I didn't even think the white laces would look cool in an all black pair of 5s. They dropped their reimagined joints and they literally went perfect with it. So make sure you guys keep your eyes open tomorrow on Footlocker for this restock over the Black Metallic Air Jordan 5 Reimagined. The next nigga we will see is the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. And if you guys seen the mess behind me about a week ago, you guys know I have shoes everywhere. And I have 2 pairs of Ferraris. This happens to be the 2012, I don't even remember. But if I showed y'all my closet back there, y'all be like, the vintage, get it right ASAP. But yeah, man, the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris will be restocking tomorrow. Probably top 3 for me in terms of, you know, sneaker pickups of the year. I love them. How to get a fresh pair. And just know, if you guys do not have a pair yet, you have a chance tomorrow on Footlocker. We'll also begin the Air Jordan 12 Blue Games along with the Black Cat Air Jordan 3s. And this is another one of those 2 sneakers where people are like, yo, should I get them? Should I not get them? Should I put some energy towards them? Should I pass on them? Should I wait to get them till later? And if you did wait till later, or if you took an L, you have another shot at copping both of these sneakers on Footlocker. And it seems like it's going to be a pretty good stock. I'm not going to say it's like a million pairs or, you know, everybody and their mama going to hit, but it's looking like there is a lot of pairs of, you know, everything that is restocking. So we got the Black Metallic 5s, got the, god damn! So you got the Black Metallic 5s, Flu Game 12s, Black Cat 3s, and this is just the start. So let's go ahead and get, you know, through some of these other releases. We getting on Footlocker. So we also begin the Air Jordan 4 White Cements, another one of those OGs that everybody was highly anticipating for the year. And again, bro, if you want that double up, or maybe even that triple up, you do have that opportunity tomorrow. I love them, bro. These are just classical, man. I said I wasn't gonna keep another pair, but y'all know how I be sometimes being a sneakerhead. You just gotta have that new, you know what I'm saying? You get that FOMO, and you end up getting a pair that you say you probably wasn't gonna get coming into that release. But it happens like that, bro. But again, tomorrow, White Cement, Air Jordan 4s. Let me know if you're gonna be snagging. And some other sleeper sneakers that are on the list to drop on Footlocker tomorrow is the Air Jordan 5 Grapes. Now, bro, me personally, these hold a special place in my heart. I don't care if they set for 3 years. This is one that I had to have coming to the year, bro. Like, they just execute these perfectly, man. The shape, the quality, just the whole sneaker in general, bro. I think they did an awesome job of bringing them back out. And I don't care if nobody else happy about getting them. yo, I am super excited about adding to the collection. I cannot wait to get some wears. Bro, there's the quality, the shape. Oh my God, Nike. Thank y'all for bringing the grapes out. But again, restocking on Footlocker tomorrow. Let me know if you're going to be one of those ones trying to snag one of these joints. And then the last two, some other sneakers that were probably low on a lot of people's radar, but I was super excited about them, and people said I was hyping them up. I don't care what y'all say, bro. I'm excited about the shoes. So I'm gonna give you guys my opinion, give you guys my true reaction to getting them, bro. Like, two of these shoes I always wanted growing up, and I finally got them this year. So of course I'm excited, bro. What do you mean? You know, so I'm living out my childhood dreams, you feel me? But again, those are the Cool Gray 9s and the UNC Air Jordan 1s. Now these two right here again, bro. I just showed y'all probably what, like 7, 8 sneakers, and all these truly could be in my top 10. And again, bro, if you're on that fence, you don't know if you want them yet, hey, you still have about what, 6, 7 hours to make that decision if you do want to cop a pair tomorrow on Footlocker, bro. Me, I already got them, so hey, I'm gonna need this one for y'all. I need y'all to let me know down below in the comment section which sneakers you're gonna be going after tomorrow for this Footlocker restock. And again, it's looking like it's gonna be a good amount of stock on there for people to actually hit. There's some sneakers on there that's probably gonna go quick, like the black metallics and maybe even the Ferrari 14s. But again, some other ones and twos that some people might be still eyeing, and you can get an opportunity to snag them joints. But I do appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Try to make this a quick little video. We got so much more content coming. Again, we still have the Air Jordan 12 French Blues to release. We still have the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards. And of course, the, you know, OG guys just still with the toe cap. And people still loving the Air if they like the toe cap or not. So if you do, if you don't, let me know in the comment section. I'm interested in knowing. But bro, it is loaded with releases, and yo, I hope you guys are excited for it just like I am, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, run them lights up for your boy The Vintage. And with all that's being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.